Let's take one more exercise for beginners. See, we have here a question. Question: note the geometric relationships such as symmetry, concentricity, and array. The short green lines are all of equal length of G. Where is green lines? See here, we have some green line. It means these dimensions are equal. What is the length of these dimensions? G. We will see how to calculate G. Then except for the rib thickness of F. The other thicknesses are all T. Okay, T you will see here, T means this wall thickness. Here we have all parameters A12, B20, 16, D80, E30, 1.5, G3 and T is equal to 1.3 millimeter. And what is the volume of model? So let's see we can achieve this one or not. Now here we have top model. See, this is the square of D. Okay, and how much you will see in top front view, the depth is A. A how much? 12 and D is 80 millimeter. Okay, then we will make this cutout. CC. You will see this section AA. Section A, this one. This cutout C how much? 16. Then okay, depth is 12. 12 minus 6 is going to be 6. Then there is one circle. This diameter 9 and depth is 6 minus 2 4. Okay, and this the hole we will make at the end, the last circle. The corner radius you will see 8 millimeter and there is a chamfer 45. Let's create this much first. Okay, and then this top circular body you will see here, this circular body you will see diameter E. E how much? 30. And depth of this E 6 millimeter. See here. Now here you have equations. Right click, manage equations. Now go to global variable and write down all the variables. Let's say A, press tab key. A length how much? 12. Tab. B length how much? 20. Tab. C and C how much? 16. D. Again press tab key. D 80. Tab. Then you have to make E. 30. Tab. F. F is 1.5. Again press tab. One more tab. E. F E then G. Press tab key and G value is 3 millimeter. Tab. Now T is thickness equals to 1 millimeter. Okay, now here we have all the dimensions. See, say okay. Now if you drop down equations you will see all the dimensions. This is the global variable. Now let me select top plane, sketch. Now let me select center rectangle and start with origin point. Right click, select and exit. Now this is a square, so select any two and make it equal. Constraint. Dimensions. Now here press equal to and there is a global variable. Simply what dimensions this is? D. So here select yes. Okay. Now see. Now go to feature. I want to add material, so apply extruded boss base feature. Now here also keep start condition same, end condition you have to choose blind, and let's move upside or down, no problem, but in this case we will keep upside. Now here select equal to global variable A. Apply this yes. Okay. Now let me select top face, sketch. Okay, let me select here corner rectangle. Exit. Now this is a kind of a square, so I am going to select both equal. Smart dimension. Okay, before going to smart dimension, let me apply here fillet. Radius 8 millimeter, apply this corner. Say yes, cancel. Equal to global variable C. Okay, there is a problem. Let me delete this equal. Now let's change this. Now go to feature. I want to remove material here. So choose extruded cut feature. Now for depth, how much depth we need? So here it's 6 millimeter. See, this is going to remove depth 6 millimeter. Okay. Now let me apply here one hole. Circle. Now position not given, so we will consider this center point of this one. 9 millimeter, and this depth of this hole is 4 millimeter. Again extruded cut, and make here keep end condition blind. Depth make downward side and 4 millimeter. Okay, now I want to make this in all edge, so let me do one thing. I am going to, let me select this face, sketch, circle, and draw circle at center point, and the value is global equal to global variable E. Okay, extruded boss base. Now this depth given is 6 millimeter, so here apply 6 millimeter. Say okay. Now again I am going to choose circular pattern. Now here select feature, one this cutout and one this hole. See, two features selected, 360 and 4 number of patterns we need to make. So I am going to apply 4 equal spacing, and for direction either choose one any axis, center axis, or this surface also works because this is located at center of body. You will see the preview. Say yes. Chamfer. Now here choose chamfer type, angle, distance. Now here I am going to choose 3 into 45 degree. Let me select all edge, corner edges. See. Now let's make this chamfer. See this distance B. Now outside to outside distance 10, and thickness is F. Okay, but you will see this is a kind of taper location at tapered motion. Even you will see here depth is 4 millimeter, and this is located at all directions. So select this face, sketch. Let me apply center line. Okay, now select this circle, convert entity. Now here I am going to choose parallelogram. Okay, now let me select this face, this line and this line parallel. Now this line perpendicular to this line. That's fine. Let me choose here trim entities. Okay, mirror entity. Now let me select this all. Mirror about, make sure copy, select this one, and you will see the preview. Say okay. Smart dimension. 10 millimeter. Now this one is f equals to global variable f 1.5. Okay, and these length given equals to global variable b. Okay, see, this is 20 millimeter. Now you will see extruded boss. Now here you can select, make sure unmerge, because I want to trim, then we will make multiple patterns, and the depth is 4 millimeter. Now you will see, make sure you unbox the merge result option, say OK. Now let me show this sketch. I want to draw a plane, so let me select drop down plane. Now first reference plane, let me choose top plane. Now second reference plane, I am going to choose this line, this construction line, and see this plane I am going to create. Okay, now select the plane, sketch, activate line, simply start with this end point and connect with this. Look, it seems fully defined. Okay, extruded cut. Now here keep end condition through all both, but come down and here uncheck auto select, and here select which body I want to trim. I don't want to trim this other body, so you have to select these ribs, so that these ribs only going to cut, and this is going to untouch this one. Otherwise the circle also going to cut half. But let's see, let me hide this, hide sketch also. See, now let's make multiple pattern for this circular pattern. Now I'm going to choose here body, and let me select these two body. Here I'm going to select this circle, 360 degree, 4 number of instances we need, that's why we here 4, say OK. Now you look, there are too many bodies, so let's combine these all body. Go to direct editing option, combine, operation type add, and let me select all the pieces separately. Now select OK. Now look, here we have only one body. Now you will see this thickness is 1 millimeter, and see all thickness are 1 millimeter, and at the end we will make this hole also, and there is one more hole 20 dia, and we need to make this cutout. The gap between these 3 millimeter, G is equal to 3 millimeter, so we have to make this 4 cutout also. Okay, let's try to shell. Now here make 1 millimeter, and let me select backside, show preview. Now you can observe, say OK. See, let me select top plane, sketch, circle. Now let's place a circle at all. Now let's select this all 4 circle, hold shift key, make constraint equal, smart dimension, 5 millimeter and this diameter 20. I want to remove material, so simply choose extruded cut feature. Now here choose through all only and change direction. Uncheck the other result. Say OK. See. Now let's make this cutout. Select this face, sketch. Okay. Now I am going to choose here offset 3 millimeter and I am going to select this face. You will see here. Okay. Again 3 millimeter, select this edge, reverse. Repeat for all this. Now here we have one more feature, extend entities. Now select this line and see this is going to extend up to this line. Similarly select this one, extend up to this. Trim entity, power trim. Okay. Just press left mouse and drag over the line, and now see we have a close profile, extruded cut. I want to remove only up to thickness, so here I can choose up to next. Say OK and see. Let me choose circular pattern. Now here choose this cutout feature, 4 number of instances, 360, and for direction I am going to choose this circle. You will see the preview 4 patterns. Say yes. Let me select yellow. See. Now evaluate mass property. Now see 8473.79 cubic millimeter. Where is the answer? See 8473.79 cubic millimeter. So we achieved our result. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.